Hi, welcome back to my channel, The Leisure Life of Joe. Today I'm going to unbox an item I recently bought. I don't know where this vlog is going to head on to or where this is going to, but by the time you will see this or watch this vlog video, it means that I've come up with something worth showing to you guys or worth talking about. So yes, before I start unboxing, here it is. This is the product I recently bought. Comment below and guess what's inside this plastic, and it will be fun to see who's going to guess it correctly. Okay, so before I start, don't forget to subscribe in my channel, like this video, and hit the bell button because if you do, you will be notified every time I posted a new video in my channel. Okay, what are we waiting for? Drum roll. I'm so excited about this one. So, have you guys commented below what's inside this plastic? Because you're gonna find out in a second. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the box. It's very beautiful. And I got a new drone. So maybe I should title this video about Mavic Air 2 for dummies. Anyway, so I finally got this one. It's an investment for my future travels. And it's a drone, if you guys don't know, and more dummier than me. It's a drone, and I got the Fly More combo pack. It already contains more batteries, more propellers, and I'm going to show it to you guys what's inside this box. So, join me. Okay, so I got this for almost $1,000. I think so, if my mathematics is correct. And out of that is I got a free micro SD that's 32 gigabytes and with the brand of Flexar. I'm gonna link below, if it's possible, where I bought this in the description box below, their Facebook account or their store website where I got this, and maybe you might be able to get this the same price as I did. Okay, let's get this unboxing. Okay, it's a beautiful box. I don't want to ruin it. I'm a box person. If you guys don't know. Okay. So in the outer box, there's a image or graphics of what's inside. I think you will have a box, the drone, the controller, the batteries, the filters, and the propellers. Okay. I don't know anything, a single thing about drones, and I just got this, and I will soak everything about drone before my first travel after this pandemic so that I can make there's a sticker, so we have to take this off first. I will soak everything about this about drones before my travel so that I won't crash this. And yes, I am stupidly and extremely scared that I will crash this or ruin this before my travel. Okay. So it works with iPhone, works with Samsung. Going to show it to you guys. So it contains, oh wow. So the top part of the box where the top part is. So the top part is, they put a cushion inside for extra safety for the drone. Okay, so upon opening, you will see the bag. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. They said that this bag is waterproof and it's a shoulder bag. It's very matte. It's not shiny. It's very matte, just the way I love it. Okay. So there's a rectangular box under the bag. This is the bag. Let's put this aside. Okay. And there is a, what's this? Tag in the bag. And there's the shoulder strap. It's still in the paper thingy. Okay, I don't know where to start. Let's start first in this rectangular box. There's a QR code. There you go. And let's unbox it. Can this be removed? Guess not. Oh, there you go. It can be removed. So I think this is the manuals. Everything you need to read before flying your drone. This is the propellers. Yes. So they are all wrapped in this matte plastic that's very expensive looking. Let's see what one looks like. They said that it contains six propellers. So I think you have 2 more extra, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's see. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so that's the 6 propellers. We're gonna put that inside later. What's this? More propellers? I have no idea. Maybe 12. 1, maybe this is the back propellers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total you got 12 propellers, but in the box it does say that you've got 6 pairs of propellers. So maybe you have to mix and match this propellers. Maybe this one is for the front and this one is for the back. Maybe I'm gonna read this later. So these are the manuals, as I said a while ago. And what's inside here? Okay, there's nothing. There's nothing inside there but just propellers and manuals. Okay. You know the smell of a new book when you just opened it, and you open a new book and the smell of the new book is like so very unique for book lovers, and I know book lovers loves that. And unboxing new things are just like that. Like they have this unique smell that's exclusive for new products, and this one has that smell. I remember smelling this when I'm entering shoe stores, like maybe because it's leather. Okay. Okay, for the back part, we're gonna open it. So it's the zipper is very seamless, like it's very invisible. Oh, it's for waterproofing because this is rubber. So when you, let me show you guys. When you zip it up, like there's very little opening, and that makes it for less water if you're going if rain comes upon you and it happens that you're carrying this one, you've got more protection in keeping your drone waterless. Okay, I'm opening, guess this one. Yes. So there's an inner flap around here. Let's open that. Okay. I got 5 items in here. I really don't know what's inside. Okay, let's find out. Oh, okay, so this is the filters. There you go. They're so very fragile. My friend who has a drone said that you need these filters for specific kind of lightings, and it will help your videos look much better. So I need to learn all about these filters and what I should use it. Okay, so this is the filters, and what's this? They're all packed in this matte plastic that looks very expensive. Okay, what's this? This is the battery to power bank adapter. They said that you can use the batteries of the drone to charge your controller or your phone when you're in the field taking some shots and you're running out of power. So you can use this, connect it to your battery, and then plug in your wire, and then plug in your device that's running out of power, and you'll be charging. So I think these are the wires. Let's see. The wires are the, oh my goodness, RC cable 3 maybe. What's this? I got 2 of this one. They are all USB cables, I think. Well, they are all wires, so let me just put it there. I don't know where to use. Where will you use that? And we have this little, I don't know what this is. Oh, the extra control stick. So you have the controls. I'm gonna show it to you guys that you will put in your controller. So this is the control stick. This is extra. So just in case, which I'm sure you will not do in a 50,000 device, lose your, what's that, control stick, the Fly More combo pack will give you 2 extra, 1 pair. My hair. Okay, so this is the drone. Where should I start? Guess, let's see. I don't know. I'm so scared I might break something. Let's see the drone first. Okay, so this is the drone. Okay. So I don't know how to open it yet. I've seen my friends opened it, but I have never touched their drones. And then, there's a missing part. This is styro, I think, to protect. This is where you put your propellers. You want to put it back? Okay. So this is the camera part. This is the battery, one of the batteries. And yes, let's just put this aside. Okay. What's inside here? So this is the charging hub. So I'm gonna show it to you guys so that you're gonna see that it's a charging hub. Some said that it's a big improvement from the last charging hub of DJI. So I guess this is where you put the batteries, and this is where you put the power slot. Okay. Another box, and the controller, and there's a styro inside. There you go. I guess to protect the drone, just in case you accidentally drop your bag. And there's silica gel. Silica gel, do not eat, throw away. Do not eat, throw away. Okay, put it there. Okay, where should I start? Let's start with the controller first. So it comes wrapped in this matte plastic again. There we go. There. So it's very, very pretty. Like, it's not the rubbery case that that peel away when it's very old. It's very matte. It's not rubbery, it's made of plastic. This is the controller. This is the power button, I guess. And I'm gonna learn all of the buttons here. And there's this kind. Maybe that's a speaker. And oh, there you go. That's the controller. So that's where you keep your controller stick. I don't know how to remove it. If I break it. Okay, let's just put that aside. And let's open this box. What's inside? I mean, I've got a lot more to learn here. Oh yeah, of course you can't fly your drones without battery. So this is the battery. The first one is in the drone already, and this one is the first extra. Oh, first extra. A foam. And a second battery. This is just an unboxing, guys. This is not a review. I mean, I don't know anything about drones, so I'm not gonna say any review. Okay. So I think this is the power adapter. Yeah, this is the power adapter for the charging hub. And there's nothing here. I felt something here. There's an outer pocket in the bag. Let's see if there's something inside. Okay, there is none. There's none. Oh, the division is removable. See? It's removable. Okay. There's nothing here. Let's put this aside. So basically you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You will get 15 items out of your Fly More combo pack of DJI Mavic Air 2. And I'm gonna read the manual, and hopefully I can fully charge one of these batteries so that I can fly it today, because it's sunny and it's been cloudy and dreary for the past few weeks, and it's sunny today. So I'm very excited to show to you guys how, and my bloopers and my impressions and how to fly my first drone. It's my first time to fly this, and I'm very excited to show it to you guys. Do I just push this? And then I guess you have to do the other side too.